Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got a Royal P model with the nice flip-up lids. So this has a, let's get these to come up. Nice little wings. But this had a few problems, including the escapement. So when I got it, it would just sail over by itself like that. Bring it back, just sail right over. Bring it back, sail right over. Maybe if it worked, as soon as you hit a letter, sail right over. Turned out to be those paws. You can hear them clicking now. They weren't. They were seized up, basically. So that's fixed. Next problem was this variable. It didn't work. You can see these cuts in the platen like somebody tried to trim this. This is before I didn't do this. It was that way. Well, it turns out the variable was jammed. So the variable on these uses, inside the platen roller, uses it pushes in this mechanism that grips the that ratchet right there with these little teeth, and it's supposed to, you push it in, the variable works, release it, and it locks back into place. Well, the one that was in this typewriter is stuck. Get it to come out here, but it would stick every time, and I tried for an hour, maybe two, to get these pins to work. I just couldn't get it to not bind. Had to replace it. Had to take it off another parts machine, or made a parts machine to use the part. But that's all fixed and happy again. The last thing, or this video, is about these rollers right there. See those suckers? They are not even close to being round. They are opposite of round. They are flat and even curved the other way. Like the Arizona heat just melted them. The feed rollers seem alright on this. I had to platen out many times and they're alright. So let's try changing these. I got a couple more off right here off of Quiet Deluxe. I'm hoping they're the same size. If not, we're going to have to do some modification, something there. Let me get a screwdriver and just hopefully this just comes off. The Quiet Deluxe had a couple little different assembly than this. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, things are tight on this machine. That's all I got to say. Everything is okay. Come on, buddy. Boy, that's a tight screw. I don't think that's been loosened in 80 years. It's probably the problem. Okay, let's hope this thing just separates right here. The other one was it was kind of wedged in there. It's coming, it's wiggling a little bit. Let me stick something in here. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can. There it goes. Okay, let's pull these off and see how they look. Came off pretty easy. Okay, well, these kind of look the same so far. Yeah, the sleeve looks the same. Okay, so these go back together. They got a kind of a tricky little thing. So they got an inner sleeve, the roller, and then what's basically a retainer type piece. So this goes inside of this piece, and latches in there, sort of. Should fit on this side, should come out that side. Let's see if I can just manipulate it to try. I'm just going to try sticking it on the shaft. And that piece is down like that. See if I can get this to go on nice and slick. Dang, the camera's in the way. Not fitting like I thought it would. It's on there all the way. Can't see the bottom. And that piece is not, it's not sticking out on the side. It should protrude on this side over here. And doesn't seem to be. I gotta get my better glasses on. I can't see. Can't see the small stuff. It's close. If I grab that. There it goes. There it goes. So now those two little forks are. It fits. That's nice. It's gonna save me a little bit of trouble or time. Well, I'll probably actually try to recover these and then use them as a in the future for something else. So let's see if we can get this back on. Same process. Stick it on a little bit like that. Yeah, that one worked a lot better. So got those two little forks. One right there, one right there. Spin a nice. Stick this back in here. And put the screw back in there. We'll tighten it up and see if that's satisfactory. I think it's going to be though. We got a winner here. Well, balance feels good right off the bat. They're both touching evenly, and I think they're good. Well, that's a lot better than that. Holy smoke. So, I'm going to try to recover these off camera, but right now, we're good to go with this guy. This is a cute little typer. Just got a little more cleanup to do on this guy, and it'll be ready. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.